We're here on Water Street in Nobscot for a tour of the site of the new McAuliffe Branch Library. Here is the walkway of commemorative personalized bricks that was done as a fundraiser. As you can see, it came out pretty nice. Here to give us the tour is library trustee Sam Klaidman. How you doing, Sam?
Good. So it's amazing. It's the day before Christmas, so here we are in shirt sleeves. Welcome to New England. So in addition to this, if you look on the left, you see we've installed our bicycle racks, and next to it we've poured a pad of concrete to add 2 more benches so that people can be sitting on the benches waiting for their pickup right near the curb. So let's walk in. Oh, and the flagpole is here. The flagpole is 50 feet tall and was given to the library by the veterans of foreign wars, who have been really generous, and we really appreciate everything they've done for us. So let's go for a walk. Pardon the construction equipment. If the rate things are going, we'll have grass in another week. As we walk in, on the left, you can see the circulation counter. We'll have computers up here and the circulation folks behind it. And interesting thing is that underneath, which we don't know where the light switch is, but it's there somewhere, this is lit with LEDs, and there'll be some glass in here. So it really starts creating the futuristic theme. And we walk forward, and where all of these trash barrels are now will be chairs and tables, and just a place to comfortably sit and relax and have your coffee. On the left is the adult area, and we're starting to build all the bookcases, varying heights, very nice design. There's wood end panels that'll be installed, and a wood top, but these are just good, unbelievably heavy, solid shells. Varying heights depending upon what's going on and what's in them. Now if we turn and go to the children's area, we'll try to take the safe route. We have behind this serpentine glass wall is the circulation desk, which appropriately enough is a circle or a semicircle. And because it's the children's area, and we have low bookshelves all along the up front and down in the back, and you can see that the shelving in the back is radiating out from a circle where it'll be a nice table for the kids. In this open area where we have the remnants of the round circles that were cut out will be computers for the children, and there's lots of shelving. If we see over my right shoulder, there is a large room with the windows. That's the arts and crafts room, which we never had in McAuliffe. And you can see the size. It's really big. It's got a sink so that you can do different things. And we're going to have the furniture in here is going to match what's in the community room, so that this could turn into a second meeting room if we need it. We have one like this down in the main library downtown, and that's booked almost all day for meetings. We've got this additional room that we only use during the day, not after 9 o'clock as we will our community room. So this is cool. You might have noticed that as we walked in, the lights went on, and that's done throughout the facility just for energy saving and to get us our LEED certification. And might be interesting just to take a look into one of the bathrooms. This is the one in the children's room area, just to get an idea of what we've done aesthetically. On the left, inside the door, is a drop-down changing table. So, and the adults are obviously bigger, but it's the same kind of aesthetics. And then, just poke our head in here. So this is the meeting room. It's getting closer and closer. On my right, we have a sink, and we have a refrigerator coming, and a little work surface so that for meetings we could set up a coffee urn and cookies and whatever. The movie screen comes down out of the ceiling near that window. The windows have power shades so that if we were doing something, showing a movie, for example, during the day, push one button and all the shades, the blackout shades, to come down and have complete privacy again. And the last thing that's interesting is, and one of the features that I think I've mentioned before, but I really think it's important, is that we wanted to be able to hold meetings in the evening here and let them run long after the library closes. So what we've got is 2 bathrooms, men's and women's, and they're behind this door. So the door that we just came through will be open during the day. There's a similar door over my shoulder, and that one will be closed during the day and opened at night. And the door we came through will be closed at night. So what that means is that we can have meetings in the meeting room. If someone has to use the bathroom, comes out, goes through the door, does what they have to do, and comes back out without ever having access to the main facility of the library, which means that we can have a meeting until 2 or 3 in the morning. Doesn't matter, as long as someone is responsible for closing the outside door. This is kind of interesting. The bubblers, and this bubbler, you can just put your water bottle here and fill it up, which I think is really good for the folks that are going to be coming on a bicycle, or when the rail trail is open. Just be a really nice convenience. They can come in here, use the men's or ladies' room, fill the water bottle, and go enjoy the rail trail when it's done. So that's what we have. And things are moving along. It's, I don't know, 5, 6, 8, 9 weeks till we open it up. It's hard to judge it even at this late point, because at the end you find things that need to be fixed, that need to be delivered still, and we're not going to really want to open it until we know it's ready to open. So thanks for taking the tour.